What many beginner shooters may not realize is the energy of the slide driving backwards is what's causing the majority of that recoil that happens as you take your shots. A big key to managing recoil and improving your accuracy is going to be in how you're gripping your pistol with this method that I'm going to show you coming up in today's video. Welcome back, guys. I'm Parker with the Range Rulerz, and here I help activate new gun owners to get out and train with their firearms, grow their skills, and rule the range. Like I already mentioned, today I'm going to show you how to properly grip your pistol so that you can have better control over your firearm and improve your shooting accuracy. So here we have my unloaded Glock 17, and I'm going to demonstrate a few bag grip formations and also explain why they're not so good. Now, I'm not a super expert to know any of the technical names for these different grip styles that I'm going to show you, but I'm just going to run you a few examples just to show you what you don't want to do. Really quickly, the first one we're going to look at is your hand over the mag well. The second one is your both hands overlapping one another. And the third one is probably going to be the worst one of them all, and it's this weird type of gangster stuff that people do. Now, the reason these are poor grip postures is because, like I told you earlier, the energy of the slide driving backward is what's causing that recoil. And you're just not going to have that same level of control as you would with this other grip that I'm about to show you. So, how to properly grip your pistol, what we're going to do is you're going to want to have both hands as high as you can to the horizontal axis of the bore as possible. This is what we call the thumbs forward grip. What this is going to do is it's going to help you control that recoil as you're taking your shots. Now, as you're able to have better recoil management, your accuracy is just going to follow suit. Now, do keep in mind, your grip alone is not what's going to help you improve your accuracy. You will also need to learn about trigger reset, and fortunately for you, I have made a video breaking this down, so if you have not watched it, you will absolutely want to go back and watch that video after we're finished up here. I'll be sure to have a link for that video posted down in the description box below. So, that's basically it. That's how to properly grip your pistol. The next step is to put into practice what you've learned today by going out and putting a couple rounds through your handguns. If this video was beneficial to you in any way, please consider leaving a like, and also if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, that way you don't miss a future upload. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Parker with the Range Rulerz. I'll see you guys in the next one.